off, how we're feeling right now, and then we'll go into what to expect for the weekend. So today we reached 92, that record set back in 1975-95, and this is for Tampa, by the way. Some areas were a touch warmer than that, especially as you move inland. Currently Tampa's at 89, so we did cool down a few degrees there. Feeling nicer along the coast. That's because we have a westerly wind that's helping us out, plus that front that moved through. Yes, we will have some rain chances as we move into the weekend, but it will mainly be what we have seen the last 24 hours, where it's kind of confined to those areas east of I-75, those interior locations. If you are planning to go to this ceremony for Memorial Day, honoring those brave lives lost, this is taking place on Sunday. So kicking off the ceremony around 10 a.m., temperatures will be in the low 80s. It will be a warm day, but as far as rain, it stays away into the afternoon. And again, it's mainly for those inland locations.
All right, thank you. Meteorologist Colleen Campbell joins us now. And Colleen, it's really important to make sure you pack that sunscreen this weekend. Going to be hot and very sunny.
Yes, absolutely. That UV index this time of the year, around a 10 to an 11. That's very high to extreme. So yeah, during those peak daytime hours where the sun is highest in the sky, you can burn very quickly, especially if you're fair-skinned like myself. I've learned that lesson a couple times. So temperatures right now, we are currently in the low 90s, plus the humidity that sneaks up on you too. So make sure you're staying hydrated. Golf temperature at 85. Not much relief when it feels like bath water, right? Maybe stick to the pool this weekend. But yeah, we do have a little bit of a breeze coming in, and that's helping our coastal locations out, feeling a little bit better for places like Clearwater at 84 right now. Port Manatee, hello to you. You're at 83. Newport Richey, 86. Let's move inland. Wesley Chapel, Dade City. They're both sitting at 91 over in Riverview. You guys are at 92 currently. Tampa 89. By the way, Tampa's daytime high for today was around 92. The record was 95, so we just missed that record. Currently, again, those winds are coming in from the northwest. Pretty gentle breeze. Occasionally, we will get a gust out there. We've had gusts in the teens and the 20s. Nothing major, but notice we have a little bit of a collision of the winds here, where that easterly flow that's coming in from the other coast colliding, allowing some showers to bubble up, and that will be the trend for the next couple of days. Now, it's pretty quiet on the radar right now on our parts, but there are some showers and storms on the east coast. All right, the humidity trend. So we had a little dip, and that will stay with us as we start off the weekends, but as we finish off the weekends, we're looking at sticky to muggy conditions making a fast return. All right, let's look at satellite and radar here. Again, on the other coast, we do have some showers and storms that are still firing up around Highlands County, the far eastern and southern edges of the county line. You can also see some showers and storms that are working through that portion of the area. But overall, Tampa Bay, pretty dry, with the exception of those I just pointed out. So now we do have this stalled out front to the north of us. Area high pressure that's over in the Gulf. That ridging will give us this heat dome. We talked about this last weekend. Basically, what this does is recycle the heat in our area, gives us that westerly flow, and you can imagine with the Gulf temperature being 85, it remains hot and humid. And then with that westerly wind, we have the rain chances that are mainly east of I-75, just the way that sea breeze pattern sets up. For tonight, 76, clear and calm, not as humid tonight, so that's some good news. Moving into tomorrow, 94, yikes. It's another hot day, and again, we will have a few showers inland, nothing to cancel any plans over. Just make sure you're being safe out in the heat. Here we are tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. and just like clockwork, we get those showers and storms going. We're starting to round out the corner of the start of rainy season. So that usually begins this time of year. Still getting some elements set up for that to be official, but you get the picture. We have rain chances pretty much every day, but it's mainly confined across those interior locations.